The tools you will need are a large adjustable spanner, a 2.5mm hex key, and a small crosshead screwdriver. Isolate both hot and cold water supplies. Turn on the shower to check that the isolation has been successful and put the plug in to ensure that nothing gets lost. Remove the lever handle using the hex key. You'll need to remove either the handle prong or the red-blue insert to access the grub screw, dependent on the model variant you're using. Pull the handle to remove it. Undo the small temp shroud mechanism screw with a crosshead screwdriver and pull all the shrouds off. Undo the large retaining nut with the adjustable spanner and remove. Pull the thermostatic cartridge from the body. Rinse or soak in descaler as necessary. To replace, check the valve housing to ensure that no debris is left. Flush if necessary. Check the filters to ensure that they're free from debris. Grease the O-rings on the thermostatic cartridge using a suitable silicone lubricant. Insert the cartridge into the valve housing, ensuring that the different sized locating lugs on the cartridge are matched with the lugs in the body. Refit the retaining nut and tighten it. And then replace all temp rings with the temp button at 6 o'clock. Tighten the temp shroud screw using the small crosshead screwdriver, taking care not to over-tighten it, as this can crack the thermostatic housing. Replace the handle, pushing firmly down on the handle to locate it fully home. Then tighten the grub screw and replace either the prong or the cap. Unisolate both hot and cold water supplies and check for leaks.